USB not showing in my computer. How to fix that? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then search for device manager. Now scroll all the way down and then go to universal serial bus devices. Double click on it and then right click on the USB. Now simply tap on update driver. Go to search automatically for drivers and see if you have any latest driver version. If you have, simply open and install it in your device. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.